Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. In today's episode, how to never skip making a YouTube video. I almost skipped making a video for today, but this is how I still managed to succeed in making it. It's really simple, but I wouldn't get these ideas unless I had a real skipping feeling. Well, almost. Number 1, you should never have a feeling of complete quitting, not even contemplating it as a real option. It's dangerous. Number 2, go with the flow and look for ideas from things that made your day worthwhile, challenging, educational, or interesting in some way. Then direct it to your overall theme as a rough guide and the ideas will just flow and develop. Number 3, avoid brainstorming multiple ideas and thinking you might find a better one. That's a trap, because when you do so, none of them will sound right. Instead, just get that one idea from the overall tune of the day, overflow it into your subject and voila! You have a script. And once more, I must repeat, what really almost got me to give up, besides too much housework today, was contemplating multiple ideas. But fortunately I realized that I should just follow the original one and develop it. And there, my friends, is today's lesson. Make sure to click the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't. I have been your host, William Springster. Have a good night and see you tomorrow.